Welcome class 7 in our e-learning class. Now today we will discuss something on our syllabus for term 2 SSC civics examination. So the syllabus for your term 2 SSC civics, you kindly note down: markets around us, struggles for equality. Kindly note down there's markets around us, struggles for equality. And you already know that PT2 syllabus, it is included in the term 2 syllabus. So understanding media also you have to study for your upcoming SSC civics examination. For your term 2 SSC civics, you need to study understanding media. Kindly note down, afterwards don't say that sir you have not said the syllabus. Kindly write down on market, understanding media, markets around us, struggles for equality. Only these 3 chapters you need to prepare for your upcoming term 2 SSC civics examination. Okay. Now from what type of questions can come, as I am not getting the live classes with you for 2 successive weeks, that's why this offline video is the only way. So children, you need to study properly the whole chapter. As you know that whatever is given beside the main paragraph, some sub paras are also there, and just above the picture, below the picture something is written. You need to study them also very clearly and with lots of attention and lots of interest. Like for example, a question can come that where it is, yes, the old Taheri town and 100 villages, some totally and some partially, were dashed by this dam. Were dashed by this dam. So your options might be submerged, then flooded, then saved, all of these. So definitely the answer will be submerged. It is written, the old Taheri town and 100 villages, some totally and some partially, were submerged by this dam. Okay, next question can be like this: nearly 1 dash people were displaced. Nearly 1 dash people were displaced because of this old Taheri, because of this dam. So the question can be like this. I'm just trying to give you some examples. Don't think that these are absolute. So here the options can be 1,000, million, 10,000, lakh. So the answer is lakh. 1 lakh people were displaced. Now another question can be like this, that what can I ask? Over dash persons attended public hearing in Lucknow in 2001 to protest violence against women. So your options might be 1600, 1700, 1300, none of these. So the answer will be none of this, because here it is written over 1500 persons attended a public hearing in Lucknow in 2001 to protest violence against women. So in this way you need to prepare, children. Okay, you have to read with this much of attention. Okay, according to the 2001 census data, women form dash percent of the population. Muslims form 13% of the population, Dalits form 16%, and Adivashis 8%. If it is something else in your book, then don't worry, you will get it as it is written in your book, because here I am following the old edition, but at home I am having the new edition, and I will set the question from the new edition only. So the answer will be, options are 58%, 48%, 38%, 98%. So here it is written 48%. It is written according to the 2001 census data, women form 48% of the population, Muslims form 13% of the population, Dalits form 16%, and Adivashis 8%. So children, you can understand quite well from this video that in which way you need to prepare yourself. Okay, so bye all of you, take care of your health and study properly.